If you're struggling from hairline and your hair is not growing, 240 is what I need to fix your hair. It takes about 2 weeks for you to see results. Some people experience results in 3 days. Now, if you are in around 10, though, you can go to Marunga Farmers. They have the hairline repair butter for 250 rand now. Why is it that often you find your hair breaking? It could either be that your hair is dry, that is the most common. Your hair is dry, or nikokokodza muriri. You're pulling too much of your hair. Let me just come a bit closer. You see there? You see those white thingy there? It means that my hair has been pulled a lot. So which means that I need to be using this to what? To but anyway, this product helps with all your hair growth. So all the goodies, all the essential oils that are good for your hair, this product has. That's why it has the power to retain your hair in less than 2 weeks. Majority of the people that have used this product, they can attest to that this product really works, and it helps with itchy scalp. So if your hair breaks a lot, you've got itchy scalp, your hair is soft, tata local, tatala, nant, tatala. Okay, sir.